ReQuiz review 9.3 to 9.4. Question number 5. We have 5 plus the square root of x divided by 2 minus the square root of x. You cannot have a radical in the denominator of a fraction. So to get rid of that, we multiply it times its conjugate, which would be 2 plus the square root of x. And you have to multiply the numerator as well. So in the numerator, we're going to FOIL. We're going to go 5 times 2 is 10. 5 times the square root of x is 5 square roots of x. We'll go 2 times the square root of x gives us 2 square roots of x. And then square root of x times square root of x is just x. So the radical will cancel itself and whatever's underneath will drop out. That is going to be over. Now when you multiply conjugates, you just have to do the first. 2 times 2 is 4. And you have to do the last. Negative square root of x times square root of x is negative x. And then we'll go through and combine any like terms in the numerator. We have a 10 on top. 5 square roots of x plus 2 square roots of x is 7 square roots of x plus an x over 4 minus x. And we can't simplify any further, so that is our solution. Question number 6, we have 3 square roots of 12 plus 7 square roots of 75 minus the square root of 54, and none of the radicals are the same, so we have to go through and simplify first to see if maybe they will simplify into something that's like. So 12 is 4 times 3, 4 is 2 times 2. So when you're taking the square root, you need 2 of the same number, and there are 2 2's, so 2 will drop out, and the 3 will have to stay home. There's already a 3 outside, so we want to bring that down. That gives us 6 square roots of 3. For the 75, that would be, let's just go 3 times 25, and 25 is 5 times 5. And you have 2 5's and you have a 3. It's a square root, so you need 2 of the same number. The 5 will drop out, and the 3 stays home, and there's already a 7 out there. We bring that down. That gives us 35 square roots of 3, and we are adding these together. And then last, we have negative square root of 54. We're going to break this down. And 54 would be 9 times 6. 9 is 3 and 3. And then 6 is 3 and 2. You need to have 2 of the same number for it to leave. We have 2 3's. So the 3 will drop out. And then the 3 and the 2 have to stay home. So 3 times 2 would be 6. And there's nothing out there, so we're going to just bring that down as minus 3 square roots of 6. Now, we only have 2 radicals that are the same, and we can combine those. 6 square roots of 3 plus 35 square roots of 3 gives us 41 square roots of 3. And then the minus 3 roots of 6, because these are not like radicals, we cannot combine them. We will just leave it just like this.